Uboroso bw'umugusi.
Na gukwanire na boigo no kwigena kwane una ritukori yago mbuya rigenderete ritukeri gari 13 mutinyo kyando mwaka w'echile fuibere 2025 kwego kirine 2 yonsi kurubwaga kiete wekera bono igana ende ngokwarigania tuyanyore Amayia Ensoko TV chinse sano nebere chiabono mubaso asenchira yobwenge erietariane Ishmael Mogere boigo na bogo tubwati wetera asenchira yemetandao yekerero Facebook Ensoko TV na boigo YouTube Ensoko TV. Kigo kumanyega tiari nkwariganite mu basobono aboroki wa beskuru ya sekondari ya Nyakyore iwe gotoka imiye ward ya Bunyamatuta ebunge ya West Mugrango county ya Nyamira bakolire okurobekana kuri skuru iyo wika amagacha manene y'ikisemi imiye county iyo asokwe murunganiria okunganyigwa ku mwarimu omonene bweskuru iyo uyo munyakaine buna Bruce Kerage aboroki wabo nigo basabire serikali wetere kiombe gyo kubarika barimu gya TSC kumwirani umwarimu uyo omonene. Gotigara na yo unenchire Eyemo yugukinya ibirengo byokonyoria mabere gwetera obotugi imeyense ya Kenya mo director w'ikiombe gya Kenya Dairy Board kimtaimari team nigaine kiribuna ekiombe ekyo niko kegenderete kubwaterana nebyombe binde kurwa chinse Chaisco buna kerigia International Livestock Research Institute eriyo wikirania amagania aliye arororo.
According to government agenda, we are focusing on increasing production, doing more value addition, with the bulk of that informal sector being that form informal, then we are not able to move. So the project, of course, we envisage it will really assist us to transform the dairy sector by pulling out the informal sector into more formal. And more formal means more milk will access market. The value of, in terms of quality of milk and safety will improve because now it will be formalized and the trade will become formal and our people will consume more safe milk. With improved genes, the government, as a government overall, we are targeting to double our production from 5.2 billion liters of milk to 10 billion. So it's a huge leap. The other element of it is on feed. So the government has really focus on also trying to improve the production of fodder through giving out the private sector government partnership in terms of production of more fodder, also waiving some of the ingredients which are used in feed inputs.
So as the International Livestock Research Institute, we're really excited to be in this partnership with the Kenya Dairy Board. We're actually in this partnership to deliver a number of things. One is to support the transformation of the agricultural sector in Kenya, and for us the CGR centers to really bring the evidence to support that transformation. So we bring innovations and technologies around ensuring animal health and making sure that the dairy sector is also sustainable when it comes to climate change and the environmental sustainability. And capacity building, ensuring that we train people, not only within our two institutions, but also beyond, to be really important stakeholders and contributors to this. And we do this really supporting the farmer to generate income.
Serikali yensi ya Kenya nigo yachakire omurubiri omuya yoguchia kubakonya aborokiwa baria bakonyara usibakonyara amagiri ikigasi kya maboko bunenchire Eyemo yokubasira na kubaigorera amabaga yemirimo. Umo director w'ekiumbekyo kia Recognition of Prior Learning RPL Stanley Maindi kagokwara chinga kichogosyoria omurubiri uyo nigatebire bari bonsi banyorire amagiri ayo mbachikubekerwa chigutwa boigo mbachikwenyorera certificate eri kwenyorera amabaga yemirimo imensi to ya Kenya.
It gives me great pleasure to join you for this special occasion, marking the launch of the recognition of prior learning and the farewell of the going HRM board members. Ladies and gentlemen, the launch of RPL is a landmark step in strengthening inclusivity and professionalism in the human resource management. By recognizing skills and competencies gained through experience, we are unlocking opportunities for practitioners, promoting lifelong learning, and advancing government human capital development agenda. Ladies and gentlemen, today we also celebrate the exemplary service of the outgoing board members. Your stewardship has upheld integrity, credibility, and excellence in HR professional standards. On behalf of the State Department, I convey sincere appreciation for your dedication and commitment. To the incoming leaders, I urge you to build on this strong foundation with innovation and integrity, ensuring HRM PEP remains a beacon of professionalism. Ladies and gentlemen, as stakeholders, let us collectively support the RPL initiative to enhance growth, inclusion, and advancement in the HR profession, while safeguarding its standards. Finally, allow me to congratulate HRM PEP on this twin milestone and thank all of you for your contribution to the profession and to our nation. God bless you. Thank you.
Omokonyi bumurai bwense Professor Kithure Kindiki asentunda yende nigaborira barayi koraba Kenya gweterenchira yokubabwatani abantu bonsi imeyense. Kindiki asenkwana yaye miye county ya Tana River nigasingereire gosemya barayi kweyatana na noburayi bubo kenyomba na boigo obogesaku.
Iko wazee wanatoka jamii 8. Huyu Mgatana hatoki jamii 8, ametoka jamii 1 ya hizo 8. Si kweli? Viongozi wa pumbavu wakipata nafasi ya kuongoza, anaanza kubagua watu. Anaanza kusema hii ni ukoo wangu, hii ni ukoo wangu. To be a leader is a blessing from God. Use that position properly because you'll be accountable before God. Kwa sababu hatuwezi kuwa ati ukoo zetu zote ziongoze siku moja. Si sasa hapa Kenya si tuko na rais, si kuna mahali anatoka, si anatoka mahali fulani, mahali alizaliwa jameni. Lakini akiwa pale, yeye sio kiongozi wa jamii yake, yeye ni kiongozi wa taifa la Kenya. Makabila yote, dini zote, watoto, akina mama, wazee, walemavu, kila mtu, yeye ndiye kiongozi wetu sisi zote. Na akiwa ni mtu wa kuleta ubaguzi, mara hii sehemu ya pwani, sijui mara ya kaskazini mwa Kenya, nchi itaanguka. Na viongozi wengi wanaangusha jamii kwa sababu ya upumbavu na mapendeleo. Of course kuna mahali umezaliwa, lakini ukiwa kiongozi kama wewe ni MP wa watu wote ambao wako katika hiyo sehemu. Ukiwa senator, wewe ni senator wa jamii zote ambazo ziko katika kila hiyo sehemu. Hiyo ndio itakuwezesha sasa kujua utafanya namna gani kuleta kila mtu pamoja. Na kila mtu anajisikia wewe ni kiongozi wake.
Gotigana nayo murai we kiama gia DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigo asentunde inde na inda sokire na kugikiria merobere yo murai wense William Samuel Ruto yo kobarigania barai au imeye nyombe nene yo barai Nairobi asata ebire ne kiorokererio kemeroberio yo bokurumi meyense.
What is happening today in State House is a shame. It's a national shame that State House has become the theater of absurd. It's a center of corruption and money laundering. Public funds are stolen daily and used as bribes to the people of Kenya. But I'm happy that the people of Kenya are focused and they see far. So I want to ask the people of Murang'a to take note of their true leaders who are here with me today. These are the true leaders that we have in Murang'a. These are dependable leaders. These are people who care for their people. These are people who respect the people who elected them. In equal measure, I ask the people of Murang'a to take note of the traitors in the State House. Those who are selling the people of Murang'a for little money for their stomachs. And to take note so that 2 years down the line, the people of Murang'a will separate the wheat from the chaff and the chaff from the wheat and do the right thing and elect true leaders who are true representatives of the people and people who can represent them and who cannot sell their birthright because of cheap money. William Ruto does not need to call the people of Murang'a to discuss with them development. I was with him at Kakoigo grounds and I was a guarantor of William Ruto to the people of the mountain, and we signed an economic charter with the people of Murang'a. 3 years down the line, he has done nothing about it. It is unnecessary to pretend to call the people of Murang'a to discuss with them development. There is nothing he has done in 3 years. There is nothing he'll do in the next 2 years. Therefore, those people who went there, you do what we agreed. There is a saying in our community that you cannot bury an elephant with his tusks. Please take that money and use it when you go back home. And don't just eat that money alone. Share with the people of Murang'a whom you left behind. But don't sell your conscience, don't sell your soul. Many times people have tried to confuse the people of Murang'a, but they have remained forever focused. These are people who are extremely focused and they can see through the scheme of William Ruto of trying to create division among the mountaineers. I want to call our people to stay united and to know that our strength is informed by our unity as a people. Let our people stay focused. Let our people not be swayed by small money and by bribes that are taking place in Kenya.
Wikiraga bo mwancho mwerigeri bwensoko TV oboruso bo mugusi no to wikero mwerio bwa Amayia yechinsa isano na ibere chia bono mubasoko lende gekoraga Ensa Eyemo amone chinsa isato chia bono botuko no chikomerana amonere Clinton ondigi ga koretera senchira yobo ikiranu nabo igemeroberio yonsi yensoko TV nagendere taguchakira chinsa isano na isato chia bono mubaso no chikomerana amo nere Daniel Omwaga ga koretera yabwatkaina mo ni chigosoli na boigo no chikomerana amonere Edwin Nyang'au guchakira chinsa ikomicha bono mugoroba ase umuroberio umanyekaine buna buka bisengo ase gati abaritwa bwaterana na barabwo magiga ye kamera erigo ko enekeri usego koretera ya igonsi oyo muni gakorwa za director Zaka na boigo Brian Achaka amona Felista Kabendi na kuganiri mu basumuya eritariane Ishmael Mogere.